Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my channel. Today we'll be talking about CSS. We'll be learning how to draw triangles using CSS only. So let's get started. We'll be using the border properties, mainly border top, border bottom, border right and border left. Using these four properties we can make all triangles. Here I have written a CSS, an HTML class, and you can see there are four classes inside the container class, each denoting an up, down, left and right triangle. Now let's apply some styles to our container class. We are giving some width and margin auto to center it, and say let's give display flex, spread those elements. And now let's start drawing triangles. At first let's take this up triangle class and let's remove this one from here. For the sake of simplicity, let's give a fixed height and width to our up triangle. Say height is 20px and the same width. So nothing is shown. Let's give it a background color so we can see the section. Let's give a bit more height and width. Now here's the important thing. Let's apply borders. Let's say we apply all the four borders. At first, border, say border bottom. So as we know, the first parameter it takes is the width of the border. Let's give it to 10px and solid. Now say let's give it a color red. Similarly, let's apply border to the right, left and top section. To make it more clear, let's give here a different color, blue. Now left say green and top say gray. Now look at this section carefully. Here we can see each border having different color, and if you look closely we can see that the borders are taking their position triangular way. Remove this background color and gradually decrease the height and width. Let's see what happens. As you can see, as we decrease the height and width, these borders come closer and we can take leverage from here. How about we give the height and width 0, and for simplicity let's increase the length of all those borders. Let's say make this 50. Now I think you have got my point. You have understood what we are going to do. We can see all four triangles here. Now if we want to take the up triangle, that means this lower portion, what we will have to do? Before that, let's copy this code to all the left classes. So at first we are gonna show the up triangle, that means this red portion. So we can completely say that this upper triangle, that means this downward triangle, we do not need it at all. So let's remove the border top. If we remove the border left, how does it look? It doesn't look right. So we cannot remove border left or the border right. Rather we can make this border left and right transparent colored. Let's see what happens then. See, we finally got our triangle. Now if we think about drawing the other triangles, I think you already got my point. For this one, this second one, let's remove these digits. We don't need it anymore. So for this down triangle, that means this grayish one, what we will have to do, we do not need this red portion at all. So let's remove it, and we just need to make this border left and right transparent. So we got our down triangle. Now from this portion we are interested to take this bluish part. How can we achieve that? At first we need to remove this border left, and now we need to make the top and bottom border transparent. So we got our left triangle. Now for the right triangle, that means to get this green part, we remove the border right. and make the border bottom and top transparent color. So that's it, we got our all 4 triangles. I hope you guys understood how this works. If you find it useful, try to share it with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you very much.